Welcome to the radar module overview of NavSimulator. To activate the radar, click on the radar icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up the radar display while keeping the ship controls accessible. To start transmitting, click Standby. It will switch to transmit mode. You can adjust the radar scale using the plus and minus buttons next to the scale indicator. The default scale is set to 12 nautical miles, which is too large for our needs, so let's reduce it to 1.5 nautical miles. To acquire a vessel, simply left-click on it. Let's acquire a couple of vessels now. If you need more visibility in a specific area, you can off-center the radar by dragging it in the desired direction. Now the radar is off-centered, showing the necessary area. On the right side of the screen, you'll find several important tools. Heading line on-off button, cursor position and bearing and distance information. You can adjust the electronic bearing line, EBL, by clicking its corresponding button. Let's turn on the electronic bearing line and position it on the screen. You can further adjust its range or off-center it by pressing the C button next to it. On the right, the ship information window displays essential details including heading, speed through water, course over ground, geographical position. Here, you can also adjust vectors. You can switch between relative and true vector modes. Let's keep it on relative and set the vector length to 6 minutes. Now, the updated vector reflects the vessel's current heading and speed. As you acquire more targets, they will appear in the target information area with a scrollable slider. The more targets you acquire, the more options will be available for review. Now, you're familiar with its key functions and how to navigate effectively using radar. Thank you for your attention.